Hi, this is Jamie with Lasting Order Professional Organizing Services, and I have a quick tip today for you regarding organizing pantries. The pantry can be one of the most bothersome areas in the home because we tend to access it on a daily basis and oftentimes multiple times throughout the day. So if you don't have enough space in your pantry, it can drive you crazy. So what I want to show you today is an option to maximize the space in your pantry. With this particular client, it's not a terribly small pantry, but depending on how you shop, it might not work for your needs. One of the things that we used with this client, if you look closely here, is track shelving. That can really help maximize the space in your pantry, especially if you have something like stationary shelving that doesn't allow you to adjust the heights to fit the items that you tend to buy. So another thing that I would like to point out here is there is no hard, fast rule saying that each shelf has to be the same level. As you can see with this client, we opted to maximize the space in the pantry by doing split shelving in a couple of different areas. If you look down here as well, that way you can accommodate different heights of those items that you're buying. It's just really going to help with being able to store more of the things that you buy on a regular basis. If you enjoyed this tip, please feel free to like this video, share it, and comment below. If you, of course, would like help with your own pantry, we are always glad to come and help you out with that. Give us a call. Our number is 812-858-2457, and our website is www.lastingorder.net. Thank you.